Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi, I'm Jessica, and welcome to my travel vlog showing you the best beaches to go to if you're planning to visit Barcelona in 2023. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting vlogs like this one. Today, I'm in Barcelona, and I'm so excited to introduce you to the city's best beaches for a fun beach day. I'm here to show you exactly what awaits you at La Barceloneta and Marbella in 2023. We'll start our vlog at La Barceloneta, a narrow beach flanked by the Old City and the Mediterranean. Here, you can enjoy picturesque views and take a leisurely stroll. If you're feeling adventurous, there are plenty of activities to experience. From windsurfing to paddleboarding, there's something for everyone. I'd recommend spending some time here because it's truly a paradise for beachgoers. Next, we'll head over to Marbella, a little further along the coast. This beach is especially great for families. It's a haven for sunbathers, and there are plenty of activities to keep the kids entertained. Not to mention, they have a great play area with trampolines and slides, as well as plenty of equipment to rent. So, if you're looking for a family-friendly beach adventure, this is the perfect spot. And finally, we'll finish our vlog at Bogatel, one of Barcelona's newest beaches. You'll find a stunningly modern and relaxed setting with plenty of hotspots, like cafes, restaurants, and even art galleries. So, when you want to take a break from swimming, you can explore all the sites nearby. So, that's a wrap on our Barcelona beach tour. I hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful as you plan your beach day in 2023.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.